Hey, would you like to learn to code by making computer games? My name's Ben and I've already taught over 300,000 people like you to learn to code by making games. And I've teamed up with...
Hey, I'm Rick. I've been a game designer for more than 13 years and we're super excited to bring you this complete Unity developer course.
So even if you've never touched C# or coding before, this course is for you. We start off with a game called Terminal Hacker, a simple 2D hacking game where you learn the fundamentals of C#. Moving on from there, what do we do, Rick?
We jump into Project Boost, which is a game that's going to teach you all about Unity and how Unity works, moving things on screen, rotating, collisions, particle effects, lighting, lots of great fundamentals with Unity, and a really versatile game where you can take it any direction you want, create something that's shippable.
Absolutely, and in Section 3 we fuse those together in Argon Assault. This is a rails shooter. You're hurtling into the screen through a three-dimensional terrain, moving your ship around using keyboard or gamepad, particle effects, collisions, user interface for score, all sorts.
Following on from that, we jump into a 3D tower defense game where we are placing towers and spawning enemies, and there's a real heavy emphasis in this section on teaching you the fundamentals of pathfinding and building your own pathfinding algorithm. After that, we dive into a 2D game using Unity's tile map. We call it Tilevania, where we have our character running around, enemies, pickups, and we have a real focus on game architecture in this section of the course, how you set up all the different components, how you have your scenes load going from one scene to the next, and really linking it all together and understanding the architecture of your code.
Absolutely. So remember, with Udemy you get lifetime access. It's a great time to learn to code. No more fun way than by making games, so please join this course now.